YouTube, Madden Mobile here. Today I'm going to be showing you a 30 Pro Pack opening. So, as you can see, I have 30 Pro Packs. What I'm going to try to do is pull at least 8 or more Elite players. So, that's my goal. Okay, so for the first one, let's see what we get. Okay. Oh, and just so you know, my team's crappy because I took out all my players. And I just started, so see Pro Pack number 2. Okay, that's crappy. Pro Pack number 3. Okay, let's see what I get in this one. Ooh, an 80. Oh, okay, that's good, that's good. Could probably make money off of that one. Okay, that's crappy. Come on, get me an elite. I need an elite. Okay, 24 left. $81, okay. Oh my god, I'm getting tons of 80s. Hey guys, sorry about my voice because I have a sore throat today. I think we have 19 left. God, I gotta pull an elite soon. God, so many. Oh my god, yeah, I wanna at least get at least one very good elite. Oh my god, they're giving me so much crappy stuff. Let me try to go down here. Okay, that's still crappy. Come on, mid elite, Madden 28. I spent 230,000 coins on all these. I'm gonna get something good. Okay, 13 left. Come on. Okay, 82. Okay, that's good. Oh my god. This is getting annoying. I've already gone through like 20 Pro Packs and I got nothing but crap. Okay, if I don't pull an elite, I'm literally going to name this video Worst 30 Pro Pack Openings Ever. Okay, oh, okay. T.Y. Hilton punt return. I just had that guy, but I put him in the auction to get this guy. Okay. Come on, try to pull one more at least. Okay. Come on. Okay, we're down to our last. Okay, after this one, we're down to our last 3 Pro Packs. Okay, 3 more. I'm trying to pull another elite. Okay, I'm still gonna name this video the worst 30 Pro Pack openings in all history. Okay. I'm gonna open it, but I'm not gonna look at it. I'm covering it.